Good morning, guys. This is Christian for Hustle and Bustle. Things getting crazy a little bit. I just listed my car on Turo like a couple days ago. I blocked off certain portion for about a week because I have a guest here in town that came to see me, and the car's been booked from the first day that it's available for 10 days ahead of time, and it's crazy. If you do Turo, please leave a comment with some advice that you might have for a new driver like me. I try to go onto some of the Facebook groups for Turo, but it's so annoying. Like, you ask a question, 3 people comment, "Oh, you're so stupid, you can Google it." Obviously I can Google it. You can Google everything. My point is to ask you so I don't have to Google it and spend like 3 hours of my time. My point is to shortcut it and get the answer within 5 minutes of somebody who already knows. So if you are somebody who knows about Turo, I'm trying to find out if I can depreciate the mileage plus, such as those things that I got for my car. I forgot the name right now, but the things right down there, can I depreciate those as well? I don't know. So if you know, please let me know, and I'll show a few pictures here of the people that booked my car, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more about the fees, and yeah, we're gonna talk about Turo a little bit today. So, funny story. It's raining, it's cold, and it's 5:45, and I have to wash the car while it's raining, so I can basically do a drop-off for the Turo app at 8 in the morning. And yeah, the car is dirty. I didn't have the chance last night to wash it because I was at work, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I can't really do footage in this weather, really. And yeah, but I really wanted someone to help me out to take a video of me washing the car at 6 in the morning. But yeah, okay, let's do it. But on the bright side, I don't need to dry the car, and all the dirt is already loose, so it's all good. On the not so bright side, you cannot see anything. Oh, it's cold. You cannot see anything. You kind of have to guess where the dirt is, but we'll do it. We'll get it done. Alright, I'm waiting for the driver. Took a lot of pictures around the car. Everything's ready, battery's charged, so let's see how my first Turo operation will go. And then I'm gonna update you on how it ends. But in the meantime, I don't know if I already talked about, but I'll talk about the percentages that Turo takes and what they give you in return. Well, dropped off the car. I mean, didn't drop it off. The gentleman picked it up. I did not. I kind of forgot to took a video of it. But yeah, he got the car and he left, and I'm back home. And I'll keep you updated, guys. Now let's see how much Turo takes and what they offer you for that percentage of the total chunk that the customer pays. What do they offer for that? Okay, so here is basically the plan that I have. It is a 60 plan. Splurge on top tier protection with the full suite of extra benefits. I earn 60% of the trip. The car is insured up to 750k, which my car does not cost that much. Turo pays 100% of eligible damages, no deductible, includes exterior wear and tear reimbursement, includes loss of hosting income during repair, or $50 a day replacement vehicle reimbursement, 10 days max, which is great. So the difference between this plan and the 70% plan is obviously now you're gonna earn 70%. Everything else is kind of the same. $250 deductible, $30 a day replacement vehicle instead of $50, and does not include exterior wear and tear reimbursement, does not include loss of hosting income during the repair. Now, this is what I'm more concerned about. I got a $60,000 vehicle. I would like to the vehicle to be protected by, you know, exterior wear and tear and interior wear and tear. Actually, this is just for the exterior. The next plan Turo offers is 75% plan, which again you earn 75%. Now the deductible goes to 750. no replacement vehicle, does not include the same like earlier, does not include exterior wear and tear, does not include loss of hosting income. 80% plan, we earn 80%. I'm just gonna read the differences. 1625 deductible, and the rest is the same, does not include any of that. 85% plan, I think that's the last one. 85% plan is the same as the previous one, just the deductible is $2,500. And here you take the most amount of risk. I'm guessing that if I have some low-tiered cars, something between $5,000 and $15,000 cars, I'll definitely get this because I really don't care about the dings and the scratches and stuff like that. In the future, I'm planning on selling the Tesla around next year, in the beginning of next year, maybe before or a little bit after I decide to quote-unquote retire. But for now, I'll be using the 60% plan. And I don't know. Honestly, the difference between this and 85 is 25%. It might make you worthwhile if you're grossing, for example, $10,000, 25% would be $2,500. Maybe if I gross that much, I would say that I can paint the car for $2,500 and break even. But if I'm breaking even, why even bother taking the risk? I don't know. It's definitely to each their own. And here we come to pick up our car at the supercharging station. There she is. What's up?
Almost took your key.
Oh shit! Yeah.
Don't want to do that.
Thank you.
I had it in my hand. I thought it was my room key. I was
Yeah.
like, oh, wait, no.
Yeah, cool, man. Have a good one. All right, we just dropped off the gentleman. I offered him to drive him to a hotel where he's staying, because it's just a nice thing to do. And he was very good as a first Turo experience. The gentleman was very good with communicating, you know, where he's at. Not where he's at, but like I called him a couple of times to tell him that the car is getting full so he doesn't face late fees, or actually me. Very good, yeah. I don't know what he rated me at, but we'll see later. But so far so good. Turo so far is good. The car is clean, actually, almost the same cleanliness that I left it, that I gave it to the customer. Now, obviously, outside the car has a lot of flies that I'm gonna clean, but the inside looks pretty good. I don't want to say better than I left it, but he said to charge him $25 for cleaning, which I'll do most likely, because I have to clean it. And he came 20 minutes later, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. He did tell me. That's what I'm saying. Communicate. He did tell me I'll come a little bit. I'll be a little bit late in 11 o'clock. It's 11:20. It's all good. $180 from Turo for 3 days, or 2 days and a half, I guess. Sunday through Tuesday. So Sunday 10 a.m., Tuesday 11 p.m. He took the car, and yeah, he drove how many miles? I'll tell you in a second, actually, because I don't really know at this point. 800 miles, which is a little bit more than the 200 miles a day that the general Turo people give. But I put it as unlimited miles because I'm like, where are you gonna go? Like, you know, I guess you can go 800 miles in 2 days or 3 days, but it's fine. It's fine. It's all write-off anyways. Who cares? He did rate me 5 stars. I just saw that, and yeah. So thank you for coming along with me on the Turo first trip. It's been great. Kevin, if you're looking at the video, thank you, man. You are an awesome car renter, I guess. Give it a like, subscribe, and a comment, guys, and I'll see you next time.